Hi loves, it's Elle and welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for being here and happy Foundation Friday. Today we're going to be trying something that has been kind of popping up off all social medias right now, and I have not tried it yet, so I can't wait. So before we get started, hit the subscribe button, share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. Okay, so again, a little behind, but I have been waiting to do this video. This is the foundation from KVD Vegan Beauty called Good Apples. This was like all the rage just a couple of months ago. People were just like, this is the best cream foundation ever. It makes the skin look poreless. And I'm like, let me see, I gotta try this. This is no longer Kat Von D's company. It's all kind of strange to me, but basically it is a cream foundation, and we don't review a ton of these on this channel. So I thought it would be fun to add in something relatively different than normal. All right, so cream foundations traditionally just really need to be set with powder at the end. So we're gonna see if that's the case for this one. I got this off the Sephora sale, and I got color Light 018. And this is called Skin Perfecting Foundation Balm. So it is supposed to be like a more hydrating foundation. Even though I use a hydrating skincare routine, we're just gonna try it. All right, so I'm just gonna tap my Lawless foundation brush into here. And traditionally, cream foundations, I'm not saying all, but traditionally, they have quite a bit of pigment in it. So we're gonna go real slow and see how much we need to use of it to, oh yes. Okay, so this is definitely a nice coverage right away, right off the bat. And for cream foundations, for the most part, I traditionally will use a brush like this. So you can use a kabuki brush. I wouldn't necessarily use a foundation brush to blend it in, because most of the time cream products like this need to be buffed into the skin. Now, this foundation, look how light it is in the pan. How it does look pretty dark in the pan, but when it's on the skin, it looks a touch light, doesn't it, to you guys? Yeah, it does. It looks a touch light. So I actually would go up a color if you guys want to get this foundation. Now, you know how we always do, it's no big deal. We can bronze this baby up and make it look like it is not too light for the skin. It feels extremely lightweight, like oddly lightweight, like oddly. For a cream foundation, because traditionally cream foundations are pretty heavy. And actually, I used to use a cream foundation back in the day quite often, almost every day when I was a lot younger. But look, it did a beautiful job on covering up my hyperpigmentation. It feels extremely light. I think the skin looks absolutely gorgeous. What do you guys think? I think that looks beautiful. I already have my eye makeup on and my mascara. Let me finish up my makeup. Let me see if I have to set this. My brain is telling me that I'm gonna have to set this. It's weird. This is like a weird cream foundation. It feels so light on the skin. It's incredible. It does a nice job for under the eyes, I think. I do have my tried and true Charlotte Tilbury powder here, so we'll see how that goes. Give me a second. I'm gonna kind of do the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back and let you know what I did. It is so hot today here in Colorado. I'm like sweating. Okay, so here it is. I just added on the rest of my makeup. I will tell you that I did, sorry, I'm like sweating. My hair is like sticking to my neck. I did add some powder. It needs to be set, unfortunately, which is okay. I mean, for me, I only set really through here, like where I would normally have like a phone or something like that, but it is incredible how lightweight this foundation is, how little you need, and just how I just think it makes the skin look gorgeous. I can't wait to see how this wears, see if it breaks up. You notice I hardly ever wear primers, so we'll see how that works the rest of the day. And I'll check in, and of course, we're always gonna go into real light, but I just wanted you to see in the same lighting here. I actually really, really love it. Okay, so let's go to natural light. All right, so here it is in natural light. I actually think it looks better in natural light than it does in studio lighting, but I think both options look so good. I love this. I think this looks fantastic. So far, I absolutely love it. Again, let's always see how it's going to wear, but obviously I always like to show you in real natural light. I'm right next to the window, so you can get a gist of both. All right, so I will see you all in just a little bit. All right, welcome to Hardware Beauty Skin Bathroom. It's been on for about 4 hours total and literally has not changed. If anything, like it's got a little bit more matte, which I kind of don't hate. I think it still looks amazing. It hasn't moved. So far, so good. Hi, loves. Okay, so it is a total of 8 hours of wear, and I feel like it still looks really good. I think it's, definitely kind of coming off on the nose area, but the wear of this foundation is really, really strong. It's actually been even longer, I think, than 8 hours, probably 8.5. But for me personally, it looks great. I'm very, very happy with it. I think I definitely would wear it again. I was shocked because I'm not a big cream foundation person, but I'm pretty happy with this. So have you guys tried this foundation? What do you think? Yeah, I know I'm a little behind on it, but man, this might be one that y'all are sleeping on. Now, I think if you're really, really oily, it probably isn't the right foundation for you unless you prep your skin properly, which is what we always say. But it is super hydrating. Anyway, I just really think it's a great foundation. It's kept my hyperpigmentation concealed, and it does not feel heavy. So let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one. Lots of love from me to you.